So can the iPad call using the SIM card? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So as you know, there are iPads where you can install a SIM card into the device and you will have the ability to access the internet through the SIM card. But this doesn't apply to cellular calls. So even though we have the phone app on our iPad now, it's not like you can stick in a SIM card or use the eSIM and make cellular calls. You can get the SIM card to access internet and make FaceTime calls, for example, or WhatsApp or Discord, whatever internet service you are using, you can use those, but not really over the cellular, right? So it doesn't really work that way. You cannot really make calls. The only way you could kind of like call over cellular would be through the call forwarding, or the calls on other devices feature, where on the iPhone, if you go to the settings, apps and phone, you can enable calls on other devices right in here, and you can decide that the iPad is going to ring whenever you receive call on the iPhone, and you can kind of like pick it up there and talk to that person. But that's like the only way you can get the truly cellular calls on the iPad. Otherwise, you are only you can only use the internet services, as I said, like the FaceTime and WhatsApp and so on. So I just wanted to quickly explain it. I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.